The way I've approached finances and what my understanding is, you want a balanced portfolio, and I look at it kind of like how you would build a soccer team. So let's kind of go through the different types of investments and attribute them to what you would say they are on a soccer team. Yeah. So the first one is, I feel like the one thing people think about when they think about investing is stocks.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that first.
Let's think of stocks like they're your forwards,
yeah.
right? You're your attacker, right? So you can own stocks individually or within a fund,
okay.
right? And I'm gonna start with the individual ones because I think that's a little bit easier. But if you wanted to own a share in, let's say, Apple, that's like having an individual stock. Now, the challenge with that, you're participating in the upside, but you're also participating in the downside,
yes.
right? And an individual stock, it's a great thing, but it puts all the onus on you. What's great about, let's say, getting started, you can buy a basket of 500 stocks, which would be called the index fund.
Yeah.
So when you think about your entry point, you're coming in and you're able to now benefit from how those companies are doing. You don't have all of your risk with one company anymore. A long term, they absolutely are gonna crush it compared to a lot of other
investment options.
Yeah.